More. Hold your brake. More. A little more. Stand up. Where are we going, dude?
Back this way.
Back that way?
Dougie.
What?
You go this way.
Go that way?
Easier.
That's easier? I don't know if I can make it. I'm way bigger than you, dude. Oh, there we go. Ooh, I almost just fell down.
Really?
Yeah.
Why you super deep?
That was deep. I stepped on ice.
Really?
Yeah.
That's you. Now, here's some more. Hey! Hey!
Oh, no.
What?
See if I can make it. Oh, there we go.
Ah! I got it.
Got you?
Yeah.
What is that?
Thank you, fell.
Giant tree fell, huh?
Yeah.
Dang. This thing's big.
Even it connected.
It's connected. That's the different branches, dude.
Yeah.
So the branches came out.
Yeah.
You're gonna sneak up on the goats? Let's go.
Uh-oh.
What's your prickers?
Ow.
Ooh, that one got you.
Yeah.
It's alright. Pull it off. Ow. Oh, it got me too. Oh, it came off you. Go ahead. There you go. Good job.
Ow.
Whoa. I wanna know a good way to do it?
What?
Let's just grab it. Oh, grab it right up here. Don't poke yourself. Snap it. So now it's gonna go this way.
Yeah.
See? There you go. Oh, the other one got me.
Ow.
Just gotta run through it, brother.
Oh.
You did it?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
The goats? Where are they? Oh, there they are. Sneak up on them. Ready? Come behind here. You're gonna run out and then go boo. Ready?
Boo.
Scare them?
I can see a Vinny.
You scared of Vinny?
Yeah. Boo. Boo. Vinny.
What's this one's name? Who's this?
Turbo.
Turbo? Who's this?
Vinny.
Vinny. He's gonna try to eat my finger. Hey, what's going on, boys?
Good morning, buddies. He ain't eat my finger.
Tried to eat your finger?
Good morning, boys. Hey!
Bit your finger?
What?
Oh no.
What?
Got it? Sick. Let's get your helmet on. Keep your kickstand up. Nice. Ready to go?
Go!
Let's go. Oh no, he went down. You good, brother? Wanna hold my bike? What happened, dude? You crashed?
Yeah.
You good though?
Yep.
Alright, grab your bike, I got mine. Go ahead. I saw that, that was a pretty good one, dude. Alright, let's turn around, okay? What do we got in there?
What?
What do we got in there?
Cool.
Storm?
Yeah.
And his ladies?
Yeah.
Let's check them out. What's going on, ladies? It's the breeding coop, so we can breed them.
What?
Normally they're in the big coop. That's the breeding coop, right? So we can get good eggs?
Yeah.
Americana, Brahma. What's that? So you get new chickens, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you ready to rip? rock, dude? Knuckles.
Which way you want to go?
Ready to rock? I'll follow you. I don't know. Wherever you want to go. It's tough riding dirt bikes in the snow. It's slippery. Yeah, if we turn right up here, we can go that way. Yeah, go ahead. We'll take the turn right there. Bring us around. What? It's up to you, man. I'm following you. Wherever you want to go. Not that way, because that venture's off to not our area. We gotta kind of stay on this side. Wanna go check out the chickens? Go head in there and check out the chickies. Oh, hey ladies. I already got the eggs today, so there's probably no more. Oh yeah, I know you're mad. Oh, thank you. Any more? No more. I hear you, dude. You wanna go bring that egg to mom? Can you go run it to her real quick?
I'm on bike over.
You ride on your dirt bike?
Yeah.
You gotta be real careful. You gotta be careful? You gotta run? Alright, run quick.
I got no leg.
Mad at you, you're gonna get the floor dirty. Over in the corner. Oh, it just started snowing like crazy, huh? Holy cow. You still gonna rip in it or what? Whoa. That's crazy. Abby. Abby. Maverick. Let's turn around over here, okay? Because I don't want a tree to come down on us. It's been pretty windy. Let's turn around, okay? Kid's ripping right now. Go ahead, buddy. Man, can't even see out here now. It's snowing so much. I can barely see it in the camera. Bro, it's going down bad right now, huh?
Yeah.
Holy cow. Wanna go park the bikes? Quad away, okay? You're gonna drive?
Yeah.
Alright, hang on. Not yet. Alright, go ahead. Not too fast. It's super slippery on the seat.